Hey up. The Keezer build continues apace. Sorry, my face is so bright. Oh, there we go. So the weights are off. The collar is in situ and that is not moving anywhere. That tube of sticks all seems to have done a great job. I mean, to be honest, it's heavy anyway, so it's not really, you know, it's hardly going to kind of, you know, fly off. But yeah, that it's not going anywhere. It's done a great job. So we're on to the next bit. So I've got two taps, two intertap stainless steel flow controllers. I need to get two more. So I'm gonna put the two that I've got in today. I was waiting for some PTFE tape, which was only due to come tomorrow, but it came today, so let's crack on. So from the previous video, you might remember, I used a 22mm spade bit, so the kind of space for the shank's a bit tight, but I reckon with a bit of wiggling and a bit of persuasion, it might kind of screw in, so we'll see. So I suppose first thing is I've obviously got the insulation at the back here. I've not put the holes in yet, so I'm just going to make some holes. I'll do this tap first. Aim for centre. It's pretty flimsy stuff, but you put a bit of tension on it and poke through, it should go straight through, I would have thought. Hopefully I don't stab myself. That's a blame. There we go. Okay. Let's widen that hole slightly. I've cut it a little bit, or at least making some little nicks in it so it kind of unfolds or unfurls when the shank gets pushed through. Do. Okay, so I did a quick video on this. I think I posted it yesterday. So the front little bit's already assembled, so if you're not sure how this goes together, just watch my other video. I don't know how to put one of the links up there, so just have to find it. Then the nut obviously kind of goes on the inside and ties the whole shank to the collar. So let's give it a screw in, see what happens. Oh, bloody hell, that's tight. I can't tell if it's going in. It's like an optical illusion. Is it going in? Yeah, I think so. Hey. Hello, Mr. Toad. Put some bit more tension on the backing, so it just doesn't just like kind of rip it all. It just kind of pokes through those little perforations that I put in. guess I'll have to screw it from the inside now, kind of pull it through. Okay, not too bad. Right, take that. So I've probably got about maybe 1.5 inches of shank sticking out, just over 1 inch. So okay, I think I'll just hand tighten that. I don't want it to kind of sear through the insulation. It's made a pretty snug fit. I can feel kind of the bubbles in the bubble wrap getting pretty taut. So that's not going anywhere, is it? All right. So some John gets bush fittings 3/8. Are they 3/8? No, they're not. Yeah, 3/8 on the outside. Or on the inlet, outlet. But yeah, it's going into this and out of the shank. I'm not sure what that is actually. Sorry. I think they're fairly standard sizes for these. Yeah, I can't remember. I apologise. It just came with the shank. I didn't even need to look it up. Okay, so like most of the things, I don't know a whole lot about PTFE tape. Obviously it's used for plumbing, and that's pretty much all I know really. You know, to kind of prevent leaks, and provide a really good seal around the screw thread, if you've got one. I'm always hunched over, aren't I? I can only shit. So I had a quick look into it, and you can get stuff for, and I don't know if this is the same for all PTFE tape, but this is for gas and for liquid. So for potable water and hot water, for all common gases and liquids. So I'm going to use this on the gas lines as well, like around my manifold and whatnot. Just to be safe. Like I said the other day, I don't know if you need it for these jogging edge fittings, but for the sake of like a couple of quid, what that costs, there's no point taking chances. I might as well do a proper job first time round, rather than try and fix leaks after the fact. So, and it says one wrap has shown 50% overlap. You can see that there. Maybe not. Oh, look at that. Why is this so bloody sunny? So bright going through your window. So oh bloody hell. You the kids having a meltdown in the background. Oh god, I can't get it on. What's wrong with me? Snap a bit off. As soon as I switch fucking record on, I turn into a candid idiot. Right, so I don't know about one time round and 50% overlap, but we've got some on. Right. It's screwed on fine, so I've obviously not put too much on. Hopefully I've put enough on. So these are plastic, and you've got pretty good. I've got a pretty good hand tighten. She's going nuts. Ruining my video. So it's plastic, so I'm not going to go to tighten on this, but I'm just going to nip it up slightly, just to give me the best seal I can get. It's all fucking spinning right now. Bloody hell. I need another bloody. You know. Bear with me, I'm going to have to go and get another one of these. Right, typical fashion. We only had that, which were big enough, either for the screw on the back of the shank or the John Guest fitting. So I've had a go. I've tightened it all up. The shank itself is now spinning around when I try and tighten either the John Guest fitting, and the nut at the back, screw through on the back, is on really tight now. I did nip it up in the end with the bigger wrench. So I'm just going to have to give it a bash in the end. I'm pretty confident that it's a good seal, but you're never going to know. You never know with liquids, do you? The little buggers. If I need to buy another wrench, I'll buy another wrench. Only a bit of tenner, but I don't really want to. So probably not going to use it for much else. But so yeah, we'll see in the testing phase. Then next, time to get this bad boy on. So it looks like it's got a rubber seal inside there. It looks like it's got some teeth to kind of line it up. Maybe I've not actually done this yet, so let's give it a go. What's going on? What's happening? There we go. Now another thing I know I've not got is a faucet wrench, so you might have seen the little bit that I'm screwing on here, it's got holes in it. So I'm going to struggle to hand tighten that actually. Ay. Okay, so that's pretty awkward, and now I know why faucet wrench came into existence. Okay. I'll probably pick one up off eBay and give that a tighten up at a later stage. I think they're only about £5, so I was hoping not have to buy one. Yeah, that definitely needs nipping up a little bit more. the kind of flow control's in the way really. You can't really kind of get your hand around it properly, but it is what it is. We'll sort that out and I'll show you doing it. So that's it for now. I think the next thing is to get the old fermentation fridge emptied, get the gas tank out of the utility room and into the into this room and at the side of the Keezer, pipe it all through, get the kegs in, hook it up. I might need tightening this first though, so that'll do for now, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, I forgot the handle. Don't forget that, do we? I'll be able to pour a beer when I'm finished. Boom. And let's not forget about the second tap. Now, I wasn't actually going to bother showing you, but I came across a bit of a problem. It was really tight. But we're problem solvers, aren't we? So, here we go. See you later. As with everything, nothing is straightforward. And alright, you know, I've probably not made my life as easy as I could have done. But I'm doing the second tap, and it's not as easy to get in as the first one, which is a bit of a pisser. So, I thought maybe I could kind of take it out and, you know, file it away inside, just to kind of, you know, shave maybe a milli off. I've not got a circular file or, you know, a rounded file, have I? So I've made try and fudge something. So what I've done to kind of help me get, you can probably see here, I've not got that much shank left to kind of grip. I don't know if you can see the kind of like thread marks on my hand there. So what I've decided to do is, I was looking at some rubber bands at first to kind of, you know, wrap them round so I could, you know, grip it. I couldn't find it, but I actually found some anti-slip matting, you know, for putting under like rugs and stuff. And it seems to be doing the job. So kind of I've already kind of ripped it, but it's just giving me enough purchase to get it in, I think. So let's try and carry on. It's coming through. Oh, look at that, it's worked a treat. And the trouble is now it's all under the freaking thing. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, I've screwed it all under here. Let's try and get that out. Huh. Look at that now, it's quite flying in. Oh, I'm not making it up, honestly, that was stuck solid about 5 minutes ago. So, yeah. Job's a good one.